Hi guys! This is a motel room and I will show you a room tour. Bed with 2 pillows. That's enough for us. 1 bed. And a table with full of stuff. Plastic bag, paper towel, cell phone. Dinala na lahat. And then, of course guys, the rice cooker. I cooked it already a few minutes ago. And a TV. They have a small fridge with a microwave. I brought also the salt and oil. I put on the top of the microwave here. I put something over 1 gallon of water, 2 fruits, and a butter. And this is a seaweed, dried seaweed. I brought our shower bag, and this is their restroom. At the same time, it's a shower room, powder room also. Trash can. I brought this chopping board so that I can clean it, and a little knife. White round sink, and two, what is this, plastic glass, and a few stuff of towels, face towel, body towel, whatever it is there. Mirror, that's me, that is me. And this is the shower area with a towel. Just enough for a single person. And a toilet bowl. That's it. We choose to get a room so that in order for the truck to have a brakes for the engine runs, because the cost of the diesel and the charge here are all similar. So why not to get a room in order to a little bit comfortable. And also we can have relax for a while, for even 2 days. We have a load. It's gonna be picked up on Monday. So for the meantime, relax for a while. A little feel comfy. Husband and wife time also. Do not forget that. I will check now the rice cooker because I saw it's boiling now. I have to stir it for a moment, guys. Lunch time. Here's my food. Mexican beef soup and a rice. Hot weather, still soup, huh? Let's eat, guys. I will squeeze some lemon. My hubby eats already his favorite burrito. He's done. Ah, tasty. Yeah. Our room is in the 2nd floor. Where we're walking in the street and heading to buy something for dinner. Las Palmeras Taco Shop.
From here, right
There.
by standing right in front of the street.
Can I go there straight?
Yeah. You can go there at the end of the building, make a left, and then go stairs up the first.
Okay. I went there for checking the pool. Bye guys! See you next time!